Okay, hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about something very important in computer networking, which is network topology. It is also called physical topology. This refers to how computers and other devices are connected and arranged in a network. So network topology or physical topology is the arrangement of the connections between computers. Physical topology refers to the actual layout or arrangement of cables and devices in the network, while logical topology refers to the way data flows within the network regardless of its physical configuration. Now that we know what network topology is, let's explore its different types. So each type shows a unique way of connecting computers in a network. So these are the common types of network topology. So first type of network topology is what we call mesh topology. A mesh network is a type of network topology where each node or computer or device is directly connected to other nodes in the network. There is no central hub or switch that mediates communication. Instead, each node can send and receive data directly to the other nodes. Again, mesh topology is a network setup where each device is connected to every other device in the network. So think of it like a spider web. Every connection supports the others. So this structures allows data to be transmitted along multiple paths, increasing reliability. So we have two types of mesh topology. The first one is what we call the full mesh topology. In full mesh topology, all nodes have a direct connection to each other. This is very reliable because multiple routes can be used in case a single connection fails. Commonly used in critical systems such as banking and military networks. While the second type is partial mesh topology. Not all nodes are directly connected but still have redundancy for better communication. More cost-effective than full mesh but with some compromise in reliability. So again, there are two main types of mesh topology. The first one is the full mesh topology, which is every device is directly connected to all other devices. While partial mesh topology, some devices are connected to all others, while others are only connected to a few. So full mesh offers maximum redundancy, but it's also more expensive and complex to set up. So again, partial mesh more practical in larger networks with limited resources, while full mesh it is best for high security and high reliability applications such as banking and military networks. So let's take a look at some general pros and cons of networks topologies. Keep in mind that specific topologies may have unique strengths and weaknesses. So in advantages of the mesh topology, it is high reliability. If one connection fails, data takes another route. And it is also excellent fault tolerance, which is ideal for mission critical system. Then another advantage is easy to isolate faults. And we have some disadvantages. It is costly requires a lot of cabling and hardware. Next is complex setup and maintenance, especially in large networks. So that's mesh topology is strong, secure, and always connected. So mesh topology is commonly used in military communications, banking systems, and wireless mesh networks where high availability is essential. Okay, and thank you for learning with me. Thank you for watching.